Well, Gary came by today and we're going to start working on his ambulance. The first thing he wants to get done is his bed. He's got a queen size bed. It's a short queen, and we're going to be putting that in at least the frame for it. I made a shelf, sliding shelf for his fridge freezer. It's quite a big freezer, and we want to make sure that it slides underneath the bed frame. So those are the things that we're going to be doing today. Most of the video is fast forward through at a higher speed, and I cut it a lot. We actually spent about 6 hours of videoing, and I don't think anybody wants to see all 6 hours of that. So yeah, hope you enjoy the video. If you got any questions or comments, let me know, and we'll talk to you later.
I'm hearing the beat now, it's pulling me in. Meet me at midnight, oh yeah, oh yeah. If you're ready to get down, bring your friends. Meet me at midnight, oh yeah, oh yeah. Down on your knees, you're begging, please, you want it. My love's like fire, yeah, it'll leave you burning. Down on your knees, you're begging, please, you want it. My love's so sweet, sweeter. If you think that you got it, hands up, put your money where your mouth is. If you think that you got it, hands up, put your money where your mouth is. It's like we're magnetic. You're pulling me in. I'll never forget this. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Young and we're ready, so don't be afraid. Don't hate the player, hate the game. Down on your knees, you're begging, please, you want it. My love's like fire, it'll leave you burning. Down on your knees, you're begging, please, you want it. My love's so sweet, sweeter. If you think that you got it, hands up, put your money where your mouth is. If you think that you got it, hands up, put your money where your mouth is. If you think that you got it, hands up, put your money where your mouth is. If you think that you got it, hands up, put your money where your mouth is. If you think that you got it, don't stop. Hands up, put your money where your mouth is, boy. If you think that you got it, don't stop. Hands up, put your money where your mouth is, boy. If you think that you got it, hands up, put your money where your mouth is. If you think that you got it, hands up, put your money where your mouth is. If you think that you got it, hands up, put your money where your mouth is. If you think that you got it, hands up, put your money where your mouth is.
We're not okay. I look into your eyes and see you fade away. But we're not the same. It's like we're on two sides of the Milky Way. Somehow we got used to the problems. Baby, we got used to falling. I'm tired of feeling blue when I lose myself to love. Yeah, I just wanna lose is supposed to feel. Oh, and I can see there are different paths laid out for you.
Disconnecting the rear heater, I made a temporary bypass on the heater hoses. We also started the vehicle, let it come up to temperature to ensure there was no leaks. And we have all the bed frames in. Gary was vacuuming to clean up all the mess, and then we're going to put the slats on and see how it looks. Well, Gary and I are finished our first day of work. We've got the bed frame up, the slats on, the fridge freezer is in position, and we're ready to do another day. Next time I'll be installing his electrical.